introduce yourself?
Okay, I'm Enoch Echampong, like popularly known as Oreku. That's the name a lot of people know me about, and I'm actually into business, buy and sell kind of business. Like I'm interested in IT ways. I've been dealing with computers and a whole lot, laptops and a lot, so laptops, phones, and all that. I actually want to dig deep into this programming work. That's why I contacted you.
Oh, okay. Do you have any qualification?
Okay, I went for, I did IT at Ghana Technology University College, but I didn't graduate because it wasn't going the way I wanted it. And I think I've also been to IPMT for a while. I was at IPMT networking, but I want to, due to some reasons, I couldn't graduate from there too. But I have background of IT.
Oh, okay. So you've been to IPMC, or you mean NIIT?
IPMC and then
IPMC.
Ghana Telecom.
Oh,
yes.
Okay. And for networking?
Yes, hardware networking.
Oh, okay. But you don't have any experience in programming?
No, for programming, I have no experience in programming at all.
Okay. Then I think Python is the best option to begin with. Okay, so today I'm just going to help you set up your environment for Python. So I'm not going to waste much time. Roughly by 5 to 7 or 10 minutes, we are done for today. Okay. All right. So you said you are on Windows. I'm on, mostly I use MacBook in writing code, but because you said you're on Windows, I had to use the Windows machine for the setup so you can see everything clearly. All right. So first thing, I'm going to introduce you to a platform called REPLIT. Okay, so when you get your laptop, you just search REPLIT on Google, like so. Okay, so REPLIT is an online IDE. Now, before you start writing code, whether C++ or Python, you need to set up your environment so that your computer can, run your codes for you without having the necessary IDE or text editor. Sometimes you can't write any code you want, or you can't run codes that you write. Okay, so to start writing code, you need to configure your laptop or set up an environment to help you write your code, either C++, Python, or any programming language. Okay. But I'm going to show you this online platform, which you don't have to set up any environs by simply registering to it. So as mentioned earlier, it's called REPLIT. You search REPLIT online, Google, then you click on the first link, as you see over here. Yeah. Then you sign up. It's for free. We have the free version, so you can register it for free. Here you are. It's replit.com. Okay. So what you have to do is to sign up over here because you are new to the platform. So you click sign up. Then you choose a username, your email, and password. Then you click on create an account. So when you click create an account, you will have to go to your email and confirm the account creation. Okay. I have an account already, so I'm going to log in instead of signing up.
Create a new one. Okay.
Yeah. But you will have to sign up first.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. So let me see if I got the password. All right, so this is my account. It's the free version.
Okay.
Yeah. So once you get to your dashboard, like you see on my screen, now to start writing code, you need to create a file over here, but they call it REPL. Okay, so to create that, you click on this plus icon here on the top right. I hope you can see that.
Yes.
Yeah, so you click on that, then it will load all the programming languages for you. Okay, all of them. We have other programming languages like C++, Node.js, Java, Golang, and all the rest. All right, but we are focusing on Python. So I'll click on Python. Then you give it a name. Maybe if you are working on a BAS project, you can say maybe BAS app. Okay, but this is just a test, so I'll call it maybe test replit 5. Now, once I do that, sure. Once I do that, I will have to click here, create repo over here, create repo. So once I click that, it will take me to a Python environment, a Python IDE for me to start writing my code in Python. You see that?
Okay.
Sure.
Yes.
So this is the Python ID. So any codes that I'll write here should be in Python because remember we selected Python. So they've given me main.py over here. All right, so I'm going to just test something. And in Python, if you want to display something to the user or if you want to print out something to the user, we use the word print. Okay, so you type print, then it will follow by your brackets over here. Your brackets over here. Then whatever you want to print in here, like this. So whatever I will type here will be displayed to the user. And you don't have to forget this, how do they call it? This so go ahead and type hello world. Okay. Now, once I run this over here at the top, I click on run. You can see we have hello world being displayed in our console. Okay. So
Okay.
this REPLIT, it's such a I just came across this online platform just a few months ago. Before I've been using which I'm going to show you. I've been using IDE on my laptop, which I'm going to show you how you can install that also. Okay, so let's say I have a variable called x, and I assign x to 5. All this I'll just explain. These are just examples. Okay. So I can go ahead and say print x. Now I've assigned x to 5. Okay, so when I print x, what do you think is going to display? It's going to display 5 in our console over here. So yeah, so let me just run that. Then I have hello world over here, and x is 5, so print x over here is 5. Okay, so this is replit. I will leave it over here, then you find time and go through. Now let me move to the next thing quickly by installing Python on your Windows machine. So just go to Google, type Python, download, then you hit enter. Okay, now it will bring the search results. Click on download Python. All right, so this is the Python website. Okay, so what you need to do is to download the current version. The current version as at now is Python 3.9.6 over here. Okay, so you click download, then you get a prompt like this. Most computers don't do this. Then you click save file. Save file over here. Okay, now when you save it, you need to go ahead and install it. After installation, that's it. You will have your IDE on your laptop. So when I go to my start menu, okay, and I search, let me say Python. You see, I have the Python IDE over here. Internet problems. I was cut off. So let me go on. All right. So after downloading this, as I was discussing, okay, you install it, and once you go to your start menu and type Python, okay, you get the Python idle. All right, so this will just work like the replit I just showed you, but this is going to be on your laptop.
Okay.
So again, this was what I clicked on, the Python idle. Okay, this one idle Python 3.9, and the installation is going on, but it seems Ghana everything network problems. All right, so I'll do that again. Python. Then I'll select Python 3.9. Hello?
I'm here.
Yeah, I hope you saw what I did.
Yeah, I was following.
Yeah. Because of the network, I was cut off and I came back. Okay, so just follow. I'll share the video with you for you to follow and set up your Python environment. Then tomorrow we'll go ahead and write some codes and explain them. Okay, but for now, you need to set up your machine for Python. So once again, let me quickly recap what I said. So first, you go to python.org. Okay, then you download Python 3.9 by clicking Save File. Okay, after that, you search Python in your Start menu. Then you click on Python 3.9. It will install the IDE for you. Okay, so once you install the IDE, you can now write codes using the idle, just like I've done over here. Then I did some few configurations with the IDE. What I did was I click on options, then I click show line numbers. Okay, so you get the line numbers over here. Previously, there was no line number, and when you make an error, it will be difficult for you to track your errors. So you just
Figure
have
out.
to,
Yeah.
yes, you just have to show line numbers so you can track your errors. Also, if you want, you can change the theme by going to highlights, then click here and select the idle dark, then click apply. You can use the white screen or the white theme if you want, but I like to use the
dark one.
The dark one.
Yeah.
Sure. So you can follow the video and do all these things. Tomorrow we'll continue and go ahead writing some codes. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So
All right.
bye-bye. Have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow, same time.
All right, you too, bro. All right. Thank you very much.
All right. Bye.
All right. Bye.